Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best naturopathy leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to select small businesses. We are going to Portland, Oregon, as um, it's a alternative medicine hub in the United States. So great to get your leads from here. I'm actually just going to increase it to about 25, just so we can grab more leads. Next, we are looking for naturopathy leads. So I'm gonna enter that in. Uh, I like what I see, so I'm gonna add that and hit next to lock it in. We're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are just targeting one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll cover for that case as well. Filters, we are going with review. We're going to set it between a 3 and a 5. And basically, this just means that we're only targeting companies that are respected by their clients and customers, which just means the benefit to you is they'll just be easier to do business with and they'll treat you better. So hit next to lock that in. We also want to look at Google Maps search position. We want between a 6 and a 15. Anything higher than a 15, they obviously just don't care about SEO, and anything lower than a 6, they probably already have a marketing team working with them to get them to that point. So 6 to 15 are the companies you should be targeting, as those will be the easiest to sell. So next, and we're going to go to our deliver, reset all of these. You want to add all the Google ones. Great, sort of great intent metrics here. We're going to skip direct dial as we're already getting direct email, and email is more professional when you're selling something. Uh, Social media profile is good insight on where they're spending their marketing money. You can infer a lot from that. Revenue, headcount, and data established is great for taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads, as you're able to tell, through revenue and headcount and data established, all three of them, like which companies do you see yourself being, having a working relationship with the longest. If they have more revenue and they have more people and they've been around for a while, they probably have money to sustain a marketing budget. Wink, wink. Ad pixels are good, insightful again for intent. Technologies good for narrowing down. Let's say one of the leads uses WordPress, and some WordPress stuff. You can bundle that into your marketing services, and it just is a better sell. Search term, search location, and search position, all great metrics as well. So next, lock it in, finish it up. Make sure to give it a title. Set your context required. I'm gonna save a draft just in case I need to cancel this to update something in my search parameters. I don't have to restart from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch it. And as you can see, Naturopathy in Portland, it's allocating back out in our task overview. That just means our team has it, and you should be getting your leads in about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best naturopathy leads using Coldlytics. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.